Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you to find TikTok videos that you did not like. So if you saw a funny video, but then you accidentally refreshed without liking it, I'll show you guys how to find that video again, even though you didn't bookmark it or anything like that. So first things first, head over to your TikTok app and then click on your profile button in the bottom right corner of your screen from the For You page. So if you click on your profile picture right here, it will be brought to this page right here, and in the top right corner, there's 3 bars. If you click on those 3 bars, then these settings will come up right here. Let me click on it. And as you can see, there's 3 options right here. You'll want to click on settings and privacy. Once you click on that, this option will come up here. You'll want to scroll down to content and display. In the content and display subsection, there's an option that says comment and watch history. Find that and click on it. Once you find it and click on it, you'll be brought to this page right here. Let it load real quick. And as you can see, it says watch history and comment history. Click on watch history and that'll show all of your watch history on TikTok. So as you can see, I have a ton of videos here, and if I click on one, then it won't have any likes or bookmarks or anything like that. So that's how you know that it works. So that's how you see your watch history on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.